Idle game reward apps don't pay you for the game itself. They pay because advertisers fund installs and engagement. Then those earnings get converted into points that can be cashed out after verification. By the end of this, you'll know 5 apps people use to earn from idle games, how each one structures rewards, and what actually decides whether payouts feel fast or slow. Start with how idle game earning apps actually work. Idle games are designed to run with minimal interaction. Reward apps use them as sponsored offers. You install a game, let it run, and complete specific milestones like time played or progression goals. Once tracked, the app credits your account. The key detail is that earnings come from advertiser payouts, not passive gameplay. First category is dedicated idle game reward apps. These apps focus mainly on idle or incremental games. You earn by reaching progression milestones over time. The advantage is simplicity, but earnings depend heavily on how many active game offers are available. Second category is offer wall apps with idle games. These apps show multiple games from different advertisers in one list. You pick idle-style games, complete objectives, and earn points. They usually have more variety, but tracking delays can vary depending on the advertiser. Third category is hybrid reward apps. These apps mix idle games with surveys, videos, and small tasks. Idle games are just one earning method, so your total payout depends on how you balance different activities. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. Offer availability is the biggest factor. If there are no new idle game deals, your earning options slow down immediately. Tracking accuracy is the second factor. If your gameplay or progress isn't recorded properly, you can lose rewards even after meeting requirements. And withdrawal structure matters more than most people realize. Some apps require higher point totals before cashing out, which makes earnings feel slower, even if progress is steady. So instead of looking for one best idle game money app, the smarter approach is rotating between apps that consistently show new game offers in your region. Summary: idle game apps pay through advertiser-funded progression milestones. Speed depends on offer availability, tracking accuracy, and withdrawal limits. No single app guarantees consistent fast payouts for every user. Next step: install one idle game reward app and complete a single progression milestone to see how quickly your activity gets tracked and credited. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.